The WooCommerce product table plugin allows you to show product attributes in different columns of the table, which would make for a better experience for your customers during the purchase process. In this tutorial, we want to show you how to add product attributes in 3 simple steps to your product table and customize the cell and contents using the WooCommerce product table plugin. Click Add New Table and click the Get Start button to see the Add New Table page. Here, you can find different tabs to create your product table. We provide a comprehensive guide for using these tabs in separate videos. You can find them on our channel. Alright, let's get into it. Navigate to the Columns tab to show attributes in the product table. By opening the Columns tab, you can add a new column by clicking on the Add Column button. Then, click on Add Element in the Cell Contents box and choose Attribute from the Element Setting panel. As soon as you add an attribute to the cell content, you will see the Edit Element Attribute in the left panel with 2 tabs, General and Style. So let's review both tabs in detail. General tab. This panel lets you show one of the attributes you have already assigned to your products in the product table. You can also access essential tools and options for customizing how to show this element and related terms in the table. The first field allows you to select and show one of your attributes in the table column. For example, select the color to add this attribute to the table column. Now you can set up the displaying terms options. How to show multiple attribute terms in separate lines. If you leave this field unmarked, all terms will be displayed in one line with a separator. By default, dot is set as a separator, so the terms are represented by dots between them. Let's check it. However, you can change this by using Add Element option in the separator between multiple terms field. If you mark the Show Multiple Terms in Separate Lines option, the terms will be displayed in separate rows. Check the live preview. Customizing no terms value. The next part is designed for customizing the value of cells when no terms are assigned to the product. If you click on Add Element, choose one of these elements for customizing the cell value. For example, when you choose text, it is possible to add any text, for example, NA, to be shown in the attribute cell of the table when no term is available. In the next part, you can write one or more terms in separate lines to exclude them from displaying in the table. For example, if you write blue in the box, all terms will be shown in the color column except blue. So let's check the result. Setting terms action on click. This field allows you to set action on click, which means what happens when the customers click on the terms. You can choose one of these options: do nothing, go to the archive page, trigger matching filter in table navigation. If you select the third option, when customers click on one term, the plugin will use it to filter the products in the table. However, this option is used if you already have added a filter navigator to your table. Customizing attribute term labels. This is one of the most excellent options to show custom content in the attribute cell. By using custom term labels, you can add an element to replace the term name in the table. For example, if you want to show an image instead of red in your product table, it is simply possible by following these steps. click on the trash icon of text to remove red from the table. Then press Add Element and then choose Media Image. Press Select Image and select your preferred picture. Now go to the Style tab and customize the appearance of the element. For example, set desired size. Customers can now see this image in the table column instead of the red term. Alright, now click on Live Preview to check out the result. Setting conditions for elements. The last option in the General tab is useful when you want to set a condition for displaying this element in the table. You can find a comprehensive guide about how to set the conditions on our channel. Style tab. The items in the Style tab are categorized into two sections. The style for the container, which is the overall style of the cell, and the style for terms, which is the overall style of the cell content terms. The fields in both sections are almost identical and are designed to let you customize the general style of attribute cells and terms appearance. You can set some configurations to change. Font settings like size, color, weight, and etc. Line settings such as height and etc. Texts that are align, transform, and etc. and more.